In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WordPress theme in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking to give your site a quick refresh, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is your gateway to creating, modifying and launching your very own site with ease. Once you're there, you're going to see a variety of options. But for now, let's focus on getting you logged in. Click on the Login button. This is your key to entering the backend of your WordPress site where all the magic happens. If you've synchronized your site with your Google account, you can simplify the process even further by clicking on Continue with Google. It streamlines the login process, letting you bypass the traditional username and password entry. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Choose the one you've associated with your WordPress site. This step ensures that you're the one making the changes to your site, keeping everything secure. Once you've chosen your account, you'll be prompted to click Continue to allow WordPress to access your Google account. This permission lets WordPress confirm your identity without requiring you to manually enter your credentials. Finally, you're in your WordPress dashboard. This is the command center for your website. Here you can add new posts, update pages, and of course customize your theme. To start customizing, hover over the appearance option on your dashboard. You'll notice it becomes highlighted. This section is crucial for changing how your site looks. From the menu that appears, click on Customize. This action takes you into the customization area, where you can tweak and fine-tune your site's appearance to match your personal or brand identity. One of the first places you might want to start is the Site Identity section. Here you can add or edit your site title and tagline. These elements are essential as they define the identity of your site and can significantly impact how users perceive your brand. But customization doesn't end there. If you're looking to control which page your visitors see when they first arrive at your site, or if you're going to add some personal flair with custom CSS, then the homepage settings and additional CSS sections are where you'll want to focus next. In homepage settings, you can decide whether your visitors are greeted with a static welcome page or a dynamic feed of your latest posts. This control over your site's first impression can dramatically affect engagement and time spent on your site. Meanwhile, the additional CSS section is for those who want to dive a little deeper into the site's design elements. Even a few simple CSS tweaks can radically change the look and feel of your site, making it truly unique, whether it's changing font sizes, colors, or even layout elements. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Remember, the key to a great website is not just how it looks, but how user-friendly it is. While you're customizing, keep your visitors in mind. Test your changes on different devices to ensure your site is responsive and easy to navigate, whether on a desktop or a mobile phone. Additionally, don't forget to regularly save your work. There's nothing more frustrating than losing all your customizations due to an accidental click or an unexpected glitch. WordPress does a great job of prompting you to save your changes, but it's always a good practice to save frequently, especially after making significant modifications. In conclusion, customizing your WordPress theme is a powerful way to differentiate your site and make it stand out from the crowd. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a site that not only looks great, but also resonates with your audience. Remember, your website is often the first point of contact with your audience, so make it count. With WordPress, a few minutes is all it takes to transform your site into something truly remarkable. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial on how to customize your WordPress theme. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your WordPress site. Happy customizing!